Good morning, students. In previous class, I think I have completed question number 10. Next, question number 11. Question number 11 is first part. If y is equal to sine inverse x upon root 1 minus x square, then prove that 1 minus x square multiplies dy upon dx minus xy is equal to 1. Question number 11, first part, that is, if y is equal to sine inverse x upon root 1 minus x square, then prove that 1 minus x square multiplies dy upon dx minus xy is equal to 1. Okay? This we have to prove that 1 minus x square multiplies dy upon dx minus xy is equal to 1. ये prove करना है. First, we have to find out dy upon dx. Y means that this value we don't know. Okay, so remaining values we know. Y already they have given, but only one value we don't know, that is dy upon dx. Okay, find out dy upon dx. dy upon dx is equal to, it is u upon v. It is in the form u upon v. U upon v means, I am writing here dy upon dx is equal to u upon v. U upon v. U upon v means what is the formula? Denominator v square, then v multiplies du upon dx minus u multiplies d by dx of v. Take that only formula. So in denominator v square. V square means 1 minus x square. Then v multiplies 1 minus x square d by dx of sine inverse x. You are getting what I am explaining? This type of problems we have did many problems. U upon v. Sine inverse x is u. Root 1 minus x square is v. U upon v. Formula in denominator we have to write v square. Root get cancelled, 1 minus x square. Then v multiplies. V means that root 1 minus x square multiplies d by dx of u minus u. U means that sine inverse x d by dx of root 1 minus x square. Take now root 1 minus x square. D by dx of sine inverse x is 1 upon root 1 minus x square. Okay, minus sine inverse x. Now हम find out करना है d by dx of root 1 minus x square. First term root 1 minus x square, then d by dx of sine inverse x. Sine inverse x is equal to 1 upon root 1 minus x square minus sine inverse x. Now we have to find out d by dx of root 1 minus x square. d by dx of root 1 minus x square. Root 1 minus x square means we can write 1 minus x square whole 4 1 by 2. Whole 4 1 by 2. Otherwise I told d by dx of root x 1 upon 2 root x. Okay, d by dx of root x is equal to 1 upon 2 root x. Directly also you can add, otherwise you can make the basic form, x for n form. So d by dx of x for n is equal to n into x for n minus 1. Okay. Now d by dx of 1 minus x square whole 4 1 by 2. Whole 4 1 by 2. Now what is the n value? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 multiplies x for n minus 1. 1 minus x square whole 4 n minus 1 means that minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. But a x name, it is not x. If direct x, then only you can write n into x for n minus 1. Instead of x, some other values also are there. That's why what we have to do it, we have to take the derivative one more time. This is not x, but we are assuming that as x. Then you are taking the derivative. For which value we are assuming as x, for that you have to take one more time derivative. You got my point? Directly x होगा तो x for n is equal to n into x for n minus 1. We can write and we can finish that. But here in place of x के साथ कुछ और values भी 1 minus x square, it is not exactly x. Exact x हो तो हम आप लोगों को फॉर्मूला दिया होगा, हर फॉर्मूला में केवल x के लिए, अदर देन x होगा तो हमने बोला था उसको x जैसे मानने के पहले, ठीक है, मानने के बाद डेरिवेटिव करेंगे। अब किसी वैल्यू को हम x जैसा माना था ना, उसी वैल्यू को दोबारा डेरिवेटिव करना पड़ेगा, ठीक। 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर है ब्रैकेट के अंदर, x नहीं, बट वी आर अज्यूमिंग दैट एज x, ठीक। आई हैव अप्लाइड द फॉर्मूला, ओके, आई हैव अप्लाइड, but which value we are assuming as x, for that we are taking the one-model derivative d by dx of 1 minus x square. Now this we connect 1 by 2 whole power minus 1 by 2 means that we connect, then I am writing root 1 minus x square, and d by dx of 1 is 0 and minus x square is 0. X square को करेंगे तो 2x minus 2x, minus 2x, 2 to get cancelled, that is minus x upon root 1 minus x square, root 1 minus x square, clear। हमने अलग सॉल्व किया था, अब देख लीजिएगा। Now I can replace in place of d by dx of root 1 minus x square, what I can get, minus x upon root 1 minus x square, root 1 minus x square, okay, d by dx of root 1 minus x square upon 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square. Now you can simplify. Here root 1 minus x square, root 1 minus x square get cancelled. That is 1. Here minus into minus plus, plus x upon root 1 minus x square upon 1 minus x square. This is the dy upon dx. Okay, this is the dy upon dx. We got the dy upon dx. Okay, now we have to prove that 1 minus x square multiplies. I'm writing it 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square multiplies dy upon dx. dy upon dx we got here 1 plus x upon root 1 minus x square upon 1 minus x square. Take 1 minus x square multiplies dy upon x minus xy. So x, y is given what? Y is given, already it is given sin inverse x upon root 1 minus x square, root 1 minus x square. Okay, अब ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 1 minus x square 1 minus x square गेट कैंसिल, तो ये दोनों खत्म हो जाएगा। अभी क्या बचेगा बताओ? अभी बचेगा 1 plus x upon root 1 minus square, ये दोनों वैल्यूज गेट कैंसिल, तो बचेगा 1 plus x upon root 1 minus x square, इधर minus x sin inverse x, तो उसके साथ ये sin inverse x है, हमने कैलकुलेट किया x sin inverse x, ठीक है। dy upon x is equal to 1 plus x sin inverse x, कहता है x sin inverse x, अब यहाँ पे लिखे तो x sin inverse x, x sin inverse x, sin inverse x, okay, then minus x sin inverse x upon root 1 minus x square। अब देख लो ना, ये तो प्लस टर्म है, ये तो माइनस का टर्म है, दोनों से मैग्नीट्यूड तो वैल्यू तो सेम है, ओके, सो वैल्यू इज द सेम बट वन टर्म इज प्लस वन टर्म इज माइनस, बोथ विल गेट कैंसिल, सो फाइनली 1 बस है, ठीक। आंसर इज 1, दैट ओनली हाउ टू प्रूव दैट। अगर हमने मिस किया तब देख लीजिएगा, डी अपॉन एक्स, अगर एक्स के साथ साइन इनवर्स एक्स भी था, हाँ, ओके है, सो दिस इज द आंसर, दैट ओनली हाउ टू प्रूव दैट 1 minus x square multiplies डी अपॉन x minus xy is equal to 1, ठीक। That is the first part of the question number 11. First part of the question number 11. Similarly, you can complete the second part. Second part also I will be giving. Okay. Question number 12 next. Not the 11th, sorry, not the question number 12th. I am giving 11th second part. 11th second part. 11th second part we can next, that is y is equal to sin inverse x of sin y is equal to sin inverse of 2x upon 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square. Then prove that 1 plus x square dy upon dx is equal to 2. Show that 1 plus x square plus dy upon dx is equal to 2. The second part of the 11th question. Okay. Y is equal to sin inverse of 2x upon 1 plus x square. Here you can take a substituting value. Okay, in this exercise already I told that there are the three methods. One is the direct method, one is the substituting method, one is the simplifying method. Okay, which you feel easy, that method you can apply. But very beginning you may be not knowing, but after practicing you will get in which question what you have to do it. Okay, you can get it. Okay. Here I am taking x is equal to tan theta. Let x is equal to tan theta. Now theta is equal to tan inverse of x. Therefore, sin inverse of 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Is it? X is equal to tan theta I have taken, then 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. But 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, formula of sin 2 theta. You can see this is the formula of the sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Therefore, sin inverse of sin 2 theta. Now, inverse trigonometric formula sin inverse of sin theta is equal to theta, that is 2 theta. This is y is equal to 2 theta. Therefore, y is equal to 2, theta is equal to tan inverse x. What I did, I have taken substitution value, I have simplified. Y is equal to 2 tan inverse x. अब क्या करेंगे? dy upon dx find out करेंगे. Now find out the dy upon dx. dy upon dx is equal to 2 is the constant. dy by dx of tan inverse x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. 1 upon 1 plus x square. That is 2 upon 1 plus x square the dy upon dx. Now you can replace 1 plus x square multiplies dy upon dx. That is 1 plus x square dy upon dx 2 upon 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square 1 plus x square get cancel. Answer is 2. आसान है, ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं. कंप्लीटली डिपेंड्स ऑन योर प्रैक्टिस. आप लोग ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करेगा तो सॉल्व करने के समय बहुत आसान होगा. Suppose you are without practice you are trying to write an examination, you may stuck in between. Okay, if you get stuck in between means that you may not able to complete that problem. You got my point? Okay, don't think that these questions are very easy. Not so easy. You should know all the formula of the trigonometry that is from the class 11th. There I have given many formulae. Most of the formulae will be using in class 12th. Differentiation as well as integration. All the formula of the trigonometry of 11th class we will be using in differentiation as well as integration. So please learn those formulae first. Take care. After that only just practice. This is the second part of the question number 11. Okay. Next question number 12. Question number 12. First part. Tan inverse of 2x upon 1 minus x square. Find the derivative of tan inverse of 2x upon 1 minus x square. Question number 12, you have to take the only substituting value, then only it will be easy. Okay, question number 12, 13th, 14th also we have to take the only substituting values. If you take the substituting value, then it will be very easy. You can see what is the substituting value you can take. So by seeing this question you can say which formula it is suitable. So x is equal to tan theta. You can take the x is equal to tan theta. Let x is equal to tan theta. X is equal to tan theta. Then theta is equal to tan inverse x. So tan inverse of 2x 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. ये कौन सा फॉर्मूला है? दिस इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ tan 2 theta. This is the formula of tan 2 theta. You can say tan 2 theta is equal to tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Therefore, we can write tan inverse of tan 2 theta. Now, you know trigonometric formula of tan inverse of tan theta is equal to theta. That is 2 theta. 2 of theta is equal to tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse x. So this is a simplified value. Okay, this is a simplified value. अभी डेरिवेटिव करेंगे. अभी तक हमने क्या डेरिवेटिव नहीं किया. Okay, so far I haven't done differentiation. So what I did, I have taken substituting value, then I have simplified. Now we can take the derivative. D by dx of 2 tan inverse x. Now get the 2 outside, then tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So that is a 2 upon 1 plus x square is the answer. Okay, that's it. And similarly you can complete the second question you can complete. 12th का second, there also you can take x is equal to tan theta, and 12th third part also in place of x you can take, sin theta, then you can get the 1 minus 2 sin square theta is equal to cos 2 theta formula. Take first question I have given, second question you can take x is equal to tan theta, and third question, okay, 12th question third question you can take x is equal to sin theta, you can take. Then you get the fourth question. 12th का fourth part. That is sin inverse of 2x root 1 minus x square. एरिया टू इज योर माइंड. ओके, तो थोड़ा दिमाग यूज करके आप सिंपलीफाई कर सकते हैं. कोई तामझाम नहीं, क्या सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग आप ले सकते हैं. ठीक है, बाहर साइन आने से अंदर क्या आंसर साइन आने से, देन यू कैन टेक x इज इक्वल टू sin थीटा. नाउ थीटा इज इक्वल टू sin इनवर्स x. sin इनवर्स ऑफ 2 sin थीटा root 1 minus sin square theta. Root 1 minus sin square theta, root cos square theta. Root cos square theta is equal to cos theta. That is sin inverse of 2 sin theta cos theta. Sin inverse of sin 2 theta. Now, you know trigonometric formula, sin inverse of sin theta is equal to sin theta. That is 2 theta. Okay. Therefore, that is 2 theta is 2 theta is how much as sin inverse x. 2 sin inverse x. 2 sin inverse x. Okay, now can take derivative. First what I did, I have taken substituting value, then I have simplified, then derivative. Final, after simplifying value, you can take the derivative. Okay, so now you can take the derivative. D by dx of 2 sin inverse x is equal to 2. We can write outside, this is a constant. D by dx of sin of x is 1 upon root 1 minus x square. Root 1 minus x square. That is 2 upon root 1 minus x square is the answer. Okay. That 12th question, fourth part. Okay. Then you can do 13th first. That is the sin 3 theta formula. X is equal to, you can take the sin theta. Question number 13th first part, you can take x is equal to sin theta, then that will be the formula of sin 3 theta. And 13th second question, x is equal to tan theta, you can take x is equal to tan theta, then that would be the formula of tan 3 theta. Okay, after that you can simplify it. Okay, next 13th third part again. Question number 13, third part. Cos inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. Cos inverse of 2x upon 1 plus x square. So here we can write here, can take substituting x is equal to tan theta. X is equal to tan theta. So theta is equal to tan inverse x. take the substituting value cos inverse of 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta. This is the formula of sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta in terms of tan, that is the 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sin 2 theta. Okay. Now we can add cos inverse of sin 2 theta. But one thing I told, outside bracket what is their cos inverse function is there. So inside bracket what must be their cos function, but what is their sin function is there. Okay, sin theta you can write in terms of the cos theta, that is cos 90 minus theta. Cos inverse and cos 90 minus 2 theta. What again? 90 minus 2 theta. Now I can say this is a cos inverse of cos theta. So 4 is theta. Theta means a 90 minus 2 theta. 90 means that is a pi by 2. 2. Theta is tan inverse x. Theta is tan inverse x. Now we can the derivative d by dx of pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse x. Pi by 2 is what? Constant. वो मीन्स है pi by 2 के साथ कोई x का वेरिएबल नहीं है, so constant. Constant का डेरिवेटिव कितना होगा? 0 होगा. Okay. Next 0 minus 2 tan inverse x means है 1 upon x square. Directly I am writing minus 2 upon 1 plus x square. Minus 2 upon 1 plus x square is the answer. Okay. That is 13th third part. Yeah. Next 13th fourth part again. 13th fourth. Sec inverse 1 upon 4x cube minus 3x. Okay, बट इसको हम क्या करेंगे, तो कन्वर्ट करेंगे. सेक इनवर्स को आप रेसिप्रोकल में लिख सकते हैं. रेसिप्रोकल में कैसे लिखते हैं देखना. रेसिप्रोकल अब देखना tan और cot को आप रेसिप्रोकल में लिख सकते हैं. कैसे हमने ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में अपने ऑब्लोंग को दिया था, tan inverse x is equal to cot inverse of 1 upon x. ठीक है, ये दिया ना. Now we can say sec inverse. Sec inverse को आप लिख सकते हैं. Sec inverse of, now you can see sec inverse of x is equal to, now reciprocal is what? Cos inverse of 1 upon x. Cos inverse of 1 upon x. So therefore this can be done. Reciprocal of the sec is what? Cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. That's why formulas are important. All the trigonometric formulae as well as inverse trigonometric formulae. Okay, you should by heart. Then only you can able to solve. Otherwise you can't solve. Okay. Now you can take x is equal to cos theta. Let x is equal to cos theta. Theta is equal to cos inverse x. So let x is equal to cos theta. Then cos inverse of 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. ये कौन सा फॉर्मूला है? cos 3 theta का फॉर्मूला. Now we can take cos inverse of cos 3 theta. Cos inverse of cos 3 theta is equal to 3 theta. Now we can add theta value. So 3 multiplies theta is cos inverse x. Now take the derivative d by dx of 3 cos inverse x. That is minus 3 upon root 1 minus x square. इतना आसान है, ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. That means here how you are applying the formula, only that is the matter. Okay, remaining nothing else. Then you can complete the 14th first and second questions I will give. Okay, remaining questions you can complete.